Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change the anti-aliasing method in REMATCH. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the play section of the game. We're going to select System, press Options, and then we're going to go to the Video tab. And here we have anti-aliasing method. So you can either turn it off fully by selecting off. You can select FXAA, which is the lowest anti-aliasing method option, TAA, which is like the middle ground, and TSR is the highest. So once you selected the option that you want, you can just exit out the settings and the options will be saved automatically. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.